The first phase of high-stake battle in Uttar Pradesh kicks off today. The state goes to poll in 7 places, and today, that is February 10, set the pace for the next 1 month. Let's learn from the voters here in Noida what is on their minds.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एक्साइटेड थी, फर्स्ट वोट था। वोट इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि इससे जो है हम अपना उम्मीदवार चुनते हैं, तो हमें वोट सोच समझ के ही देना चाहिए कि जो हमारे लिए कुछ कर सके, क्योंकि वो तो हमें ही रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो हमें कुछ सोच समझ के वोट देना चाहिए। ये नहीं देखना चाहिए कि कौन फेमस है, कौन सी पार्टी का है। हमें उनके पहले एजुकेशन, उनका जितने भी डिग्री है उसे पता करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जितने पढ़े लिखे होंगे वही हमारे लिए कुछ करेंगे।
The government is doing an excellent job, and I wish I too could be a part of it in some way or the other. I'm in the teaching profession, and I love my job, and I wish I could do something for the country too. 98 I got married and I came to Noida. Since then I've been casting my vote. Even my family members, they have now started coming out. Earlier they would always refrain from casting their vote, that we don't support any party. But now they're anxious to cast their vote. So it is a big change. If we start from the grassroots, so it is a big effort. Not on my part, I can say, but seeing the environment around, now everybody in the society is pressurized to go. It is because we are celebrating 12th Feb as our Voters' Day, and it has motivated people to come out. Even the people from good society and families, now they are coming out.
I vote because it's my right to vote, and I vote for good governance. I vote for good life in Noida, good public dealings, good honesty and everything. I think that it's our right to vote and we should vote, because if we don't vote, we are not fulfilling our duty. It's our duty to vote.
ये हर नागरिक का कर्तव्य है कि अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग करें। उसका प्रयोग करते हुए हमने सोचा सुबह सुबह वोट डाला है, इससे कि भीड़ ना हो बाद में। हम वोट दे रहे हैं सुरक्षा और विकास के लिए। अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग तो अवश्य करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये देश और राज्य की प्रगति, सुरक्षा का सवाल होता है, जिससे गलत लोग राजनीति में ना आए और देश का विकास हो सके।
मैंने इसलिए वोट दिया क्योंकि ये हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, और हमारे राज्य की प्रगति हो, देश की प्रगति हो, महिलाओं की सुरक्षा हो, इसलिए वोट डाला।
Only for the securities, law and order, and job. Vote is our right, so I appeal to everyone to vote.
It's nice they were curious to know how do they cast vote. In fact, I was not able to take them inside, but they were very keen to know how the things happen exactly. See, the government is doing good, and I hope they do better. So my vote was needed to support them.